Hi everybody, it is Tuesday evening and I am getting Wednesday's arithmetic and reasoning videos ready. Ollie has had a tiring... Oh, his eyes opened when he heard his name. There he is. The birthday banner's up because it was Ollie's birthday yesterday and he was 4. He had a lovely day which ended in the world's biggest bone. So he's all tired out today. Anyway, let's crack on here. First question on arithmetic is 21 multiplied by 7. So I'm going to lay that out using short multiplication. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14 to get an answer of 147. Next one, we've already got a common denominator, which is going to stay the same for now. 7 take away 1 is 6. 6/8 is fine, but I could simplify that into an answer of 3/4. We had that as an answer earlier in the week or last week, didn't we? Next up, we've got 6893 added to 562. Just make sure you've got clear place value columns. I've got the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. So I can put in the invisible placeholder 0 in my thousands column if that helps to keep the thousands clear. 3 add 2 is 5. 9 add 6 is 15. 9 make 14. So we should have an answer of 7455 on that one. On 4 times 3 times 7, I can swap those numbers around in multiplication, it doesn't matter. Excuse me, I'm going to do 7 times 3 first, which is 21, and then I can just do 21 times 4 to get an answer of 84. If you did 4 times 3 to get 12, you'd times 12 by 7 and get the same answer. Next up, lots of short multiplication so far. 88 multiplied by 6. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is still 48. Add the 4 makes 52. Answer of 528. Next, I was saying the other day, I prefer to put, even in addition, the larger number on top. I think it's a good habit to be in when laying out column methods, because I must do that when it comes to column subtraction. Again, clear place value columns, got my hundreds, thousands, put the invisible 0 in. 2 add 8 is 10. 1 add 4 add 1 makes 6. 8 add 3 is 11. 9 add 0 add 1 makes 10. So we should have an answer of 10,160. Next up, I'll show you... Oh, I missed out the question is actually 700,000 subtract 3,498. I'll show you the method I used the other day, which was to make both numbers 1 less. So 699,999 subtract 3,497, because the difference between these two numbers and the difference between these two numbers is the same. And I don't have to do loads of stealing because the digits on top are all larger than the digits underneath. 9 take away 7 is 2, 9 take away 9 is 0, 9 take away 4 is 5, 9 take away 3 is 6, 9 take nothing away is 9, 6 take nothing away is 6. So we've got an answer of 696,502. Next up, 280 divided by 7. You might have laid out a short division, however, I know that 28 divided by 7 is 4, so 280 divided by 7 is 40. It's 10 times more, so 10 times more. Next up, we've got 87.2. It is 87.2, isn't it? Not yet. Oh, I'm not going to do it there because I don't have enough room. Let's go up here. 87.2, sorry. Subtract 6 in the ones column. Decimal points stay in line, so I'm going to put that in my answer box ready. And then I've got 3/10, 700ths. It's a subtraction. Let me put zeros in any gaps. And now I'm ready to subtract. I need to steal because the digit on top is smaller. So 2 becomes 1. Spice Girls reference. And 10 take away 7 is 3. 1 take away 3, can't do. Need to steal. 11 take away 3 is 8. 6 take away 6 is 0. 8 take away 0 is 8. 80.83 is the answer. Excuse me. Next up, got a long multiplication, and I'm times in 2,101 by 56. There we go, so our layout should look like that. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 0, anything times 0, remember 0. 6 times 1, 6 times 2. There we go. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 0, 5 times 1, 5 times 2, and then I can add 6 add 0, 5 add 5 add 0, 6 add 0, 2 add 5, 1 add 0, and 1. So I've got an answer of 217,658, 56, excuse me. And last but by no means least, oh, the joys of long division at 8:27 p.m. Here we go. So start with my known facts. This with the 6 times table that I'm going to turn into the 60 times table by making it 10 times more. So we already get 12, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Make it 10 times more for the 60 times table. Then we've got the 7 times table, 14, 21, sorry my paper's slipping, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70. Now if I add those together, I have the magic 67 times table. So it starts with 67, 134, 201, 268, 335, 402. No surprise, double 201 is 402. Where did we get to that? 400, that was 49, wasn't it? Sorry, not very clear. Hold the phone where you can see it. And when we get to 469, 536, yeah, and 603, 670. Happy with those. You check yours against mine. And then I can lay the division out. 8241 dividing by 67. Now, on a question like this, it is really unlikely that you'd get any kind of horrible remainder or awkward decimal remainder when it's just presented as arithmetic. If it was in a worded problem where the remainder meant people or points or meant something, you might get a remainder, but I'm not expecting to get a remainder on this. If I do, I'm going to do a calculator check to find out if something has gone wrong. How many 67s in 8? 0, remainder 8. How many 67s in 82? It's definitely just 1. This is where you might want to do a short, quick subtraction to find out the remainder to carry, or work it out mentally. I think we should get an answer of 15 as the remainder there. Let's just check. Yep, happy with that. How many 67s in 154? It must only be 2, because 3 lots, 201 is too high, so 2. And that remainder is nice and easy to work out there, because 134 to 154, I'd add 20, remainder 20. So how many 67s in 201? I remember writing that down. It is 1, 2, 3. Oh, I like that answer. 1, 2, 3. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Answer of 123. That's arithmetic done for Wednesday. See you in reasoning.